Okay, if you're ready to stop just kind of casually chatting with AI and start actually making it work for you, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going through something really cool because this is a diverse video guide. It includes workshop guide, prompt secrets, and expert perspective. We're going to take you from being a total AI beginner straight to a power user who's literally building their own custom tools.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our fast-paced agenda for today. We're going to hit AI mindset and prompt secrets, everyday workspace productivity, unlocking Google AI Studio, multimodal magic and fact-checking, and finally, your expert AI toolkit.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, AI Mindset and Prompt Secrets.
So the very first critical step to mastering AI, it actually isn't technical at all. It's totally mental. You might be wondering, why isn't standard searching working for us anymore? We've all been there, right? You get this robotic, totally unhelpful output, and it's incredibly frustrating. Well, the secret is you have to treat AI like a virtual intern. Imagine a highly caffeinated intern who takes everything literally, entirely too literally. You wouldn't hand a real-life intern 3 random words and expect a perfect 10-page report, right? So we absolutely have to provide context.
And this brilliantly illustrates exactly what I mean. Consider a weak prompt. Write an email about a late report. The output you get from that is going to be completely generic, totally bland. But an expert prompt, it sounds more like this. Act as a project manager. Draft a polite 3-sentence update email explaining that the report will be delayed by 2 days due to missing data. The difference in the response you'll get, it's literally night and day.
So, how do we do that? Well, that expert prompt uses a specific secret formula that pretty much guarantees a better result every single time. It's the 3-part formula: context, task, and constraints. First up, context. Give the AI a role, like act as a project manager. Second is the task. Tell it exactly what the job is. Draft an update email. And third, the constraints. Give it some rules to follow. Make it polite, exactly 3 sentences. Boom. With this 3-part formula, your virtual intern knows exactly what the job is and exactly how to do it.
Moving right along, we are at Section 2, everyday workspace productivity.
Okay, so now that we have that 3-part prompt formula safely in our back pocket, how do we actually score some quick wins in our real everyday work? This is where it gets exciting, because you don't have to stay isolated in some separate AI chat window anymore. You can connect Gemini directly to the tools you are already using. By simply typing the @ symbol, you can basically pull your virtual intern right into Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Docs. It is a total game changer. It fundamentally speeds up all those routine, mundane admin tasks that usually just eat up your entire morning.
Let's just mentally walk through a couple of quick micro exercises together. First, imagine you're right inside Gmail. You can use the Help Me Write button to automatically summarize those massive, messy, multi-email threads into just 3 simple bullet points. Imagine the time you'd save. Next, jump over into Google Docs. Ask Gemini to generate a structured weekly task tracker and just paste it directly into a fresh document. These are immediate time-saving habits you can literally start using the second this explainer is over.
Let's see how this all builds as we enter Section 3, unlocking Google AI Studio. All right, so this right here, this is the true climax of our explainer today. This is where we shift from merely chatting with AI to actually programming it. While the standard Gemini web chat is awesome, power users quickly realize they're just typing those same 3-part prompts over and over again, which gets old fast. The expert perspective here is that we need to graduate to Google AI Studio. Why? Because it allows you to eliminate that repetitive prompting entirely by using something called system instructions. To give you an idea of what a system instruction actually looks like, listen to this. You are an expert admin assistant. Transform any raw text or messy notes given to you into a structured, standard operating procedure with 3 sections: summary, action steps, and key takeaways. Now, this isn't just a basic prompt anymore. This is actual code. It's a foundational rule set to build your very own custom tool.
Let's break down a quick live build challenge. It's super easy. First, you just open up Google AI Studio and find the System Instructions area. Second, you paste that exact rule set we just talked about right in there. Third, paste whatever messy paragraph of notes you have into the user prompt box and just hit run. But you know what the real beauty of this is? You can save this setup in your library. You have literally just created a permanent, reusable SOP generator that is always ready to go to work for you. No way around it. That's incredibly cool.
Now, let's head straight into Section 4, multimodal magic and fact-checking.
So once you start building these powerful custom tools, you really have to ground them in reality with messy, real-world data. And this is where the multimodal magic of Gemini and AI Studio comes in. It doesn't just read plain text. You can upload full PDFs or images. You can ask it to extract specific data tables. You can even upload a quick photo of your scribbled, handwritten meeting notes and watch as it instantly transforms them into clean, structured digital text. It's like having a super-powered scanner that actually understands what it's looking at.
But as they say, with great power comes the absolute need for verification, right? We have to ensure we don't fall victim to AI hallucinations. And what's really interesting here is this built-in feature called Double Check Response. It essentially uses Google Search to automatically cross-reference and verify the factual accuracy of the AI's output. It is just a simple click, but it's absolutely crucial. It's your ultimate safeguard to make sure your work is actually accurate and reliable before you go sharing it with your entire team.
And finally, we arrive at Section 5, your Expert AI Toolkit. It is officially time to wrap up everything we've learned today into a concrete blueprint. So, when do you use which tool? Well, for quick conversations and rapid-fire brainstorming, you're going to use the Gemini web chat. When you're actively writing or organizing information, call upon Gemini directly inside your Workspace apps like Gmail and Docs. And when you want to stop repeating yourself and create permanent reusable workflows, that's when you unlock Google AI Studio. This gives you exact clarity on exactly which tool to pull from your kit for any given task. Which brings us to a final question. You now have the prompt secrets. You have the expert toolkit. So what custom AI tool will you build in the next 60 minutes? The technology is literally right at your fingertips, just waiting for your instructions. I challenge you to take immediate action today. Open up AI Studio and build something that saves you time. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy building.